in the Yuganthas International School. It is CBSE affiliated school. The number is 1031114. This is the whole boundary wall of our school. Now we are entering in the main building and the main gate of our school. This is the playground for the kids, and this is the whole boundary wall of left hand side. Our school is having boundary wall and it is concrete. Its height is more than 6 feet. This is the measurement. Above the wall is the grill, and the grill is above 6 feet. On all 4 sides of our boundary wall is concrete and with same height of above 6 feet. This is the view of all 4 sides. Now we are in the basketball ground. It is a huge ground, and then that is right hand side boundary wall. That is football ground, and then whole right hand side boundary wall. Now we are backyard of our school, and that is the whole boundary wall of back side. And we are having fleet of buses. This is the parking area of buses. Now we are in the entry gate of our school. Name and logo of our school, and this is the main entry area. We are in the ramp of our main entry gate. Here is the ramp, 200-meter height of this signboard of our school ramp, signboard, and this is the complete view of whole ramp. Railing. Now we are moving inside the campus of our school. This is the block B. Now we are in the CWSN toilets. We are having separate boys and girls toilet. For boys also a separate and girls also separate. Now we are moving inside the ramp is there for CWSN students. This is the first entry washroom and ramp here. Drinking water here. Exhaust fan. And then dustbin for biodegradable and non-biodegradable in washroom. Now we are in drinking water area, proper water supply. Now we are moving inside the toilets, second set. This is the ramp, wash basin. Toilets for boys, proper signboard. Here also ramp is there and a stand, railing on both sides. Now we are moving towards girls' toilet. Signboard of girls' toilet. Now ramp of entry of girls' toilet, drinking water area, dustbin, proper water supply, Here, this is also one fan. Now we are moving inside. Signboard of girls' toilet for ventilation. Here also small ramp we have given and a railing. Now we are moving in composite science lab. Proper signboard of composite science lab. Here we are. A complete view of our composite science lab. Exhaust fan, fire extinguisher, rules and regulations. Various charts. Here children are doing. What you are doing, children? What you are doing, beta?
We are stomata found in leaf.
Okay, you are finding stomata. Okay, good. Water supply. This is the first, then that is second basin. Here also some children are viewing in microscope. Children are having microscope and they are visualizing something. Let's ask one of the students. Yes, beta. What is your name? Mananat. Which class you study? Sixth. Good. Okay.
Hydrology, cardiac muscle.
Okay. You have seen that?
Yes.
Okay. This is the figure of that?
Yes.
Structure. Good. Structure. Proper structure is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good. Here also 6 classes there and composite science lab. Now they will explain what they are doing. Yes, beta.
This is a magnet. Magnet attract with iron.
Good.
And the magnet have two poles, south pole and north pole.
Very good. You are also doing same thing?
No. This is the reflection of mirror.
Oh, how nice. Oh, very nice. Okay. You are also doing same thing?
No.
Yes.
This is a magnetic compass show direction.
Direction. Okay. Very good. Which direction is this showing? Yes.
West and east.
Very good. Very good. Here, some children are doing something. Yes, beta, what you are doing?
Some parts of flower.
Flowers first.
Ma'am, sepal, petal. Ma'am, style, stigma, polygrams, anther, ovary, etc. Thank you.
The storage of composite science lab. All the chemicals are kept in the locked cupboard. All the chemicals are kept here in the locked storage. Some specimens are there. And some chemicals are also there. This is first storage, second storage, and we are third open storage also for beakers. Now we are moving to in mathematics lab. Proper signboard is there. Door of mathematics lab. A complete view of whole lab. CCTV cameras. proper electricity arrangement. We are having 4 fans with proper electricity, 4 tube lights, and even fresh air ventilation are also there. 4 windows we are having, so fresh air also comes from. We are having proper electricity here, and fresh air also comes. We are having 4 windows here for proper ventilation. Now children will explain something here. Yes, beta.
All counting number are known as natural number.
Beautiful decorated board. Board also mathematics lab signboard is there. Yes, beta. Yes.
This is color to block of mathematics. This is cylinder. CS of cylinder 2 pi r h. TS of cylinder 2 pi r plus h. This is cone. CS of cone pi r l. TS of cone pi r plus l. This is square, circle and triangle. This is telegram, 7 piece and cube. Volume of cube, side cube.
Okay. This you have made all cube. This you have made. आपने बनाया ये?
Yes.
Okay, good, good.
This is a divide. This is ruler. Set square of 90 degree, 60 degree, 30 degree.
It is 90 degree, 45 degree and 45 degree to make the different type of angle.
60 plus 90,
150 degree.
Very nice. Very creative.
180 degree. 120 degree. 135 degree.
Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Yes. Yes, children.
Natural number and whole number together integers.
Next.
Obtuse angle triangle, it is less than 90 degree.
Trapezium. The formula of trapezium 1/2 sum of the parallel side into height.
It is a rectangular sheet. The area of rectangle is R into B. This is the breadth and this is the length. We can also convert it into a right circular cylinder. The breadth becomes the height and the length becomes the circumference of the cylinder. The CSA of this cylinder is 2 pi RH. The volume of cylinder is pi r square h. And the TSA of cylinder is sum of the bottom of this cylinder and top plus the CSA of cylinder is 2 pi r plus h. Thank you.
D is a right triangle. Hypotenuse, perpendicular and base area. 19 degree, 45 degree and 45 degree equals to 180 degree.
Very nice.
Properties of circle. This is the diameter.
Okay, you put this rubber band.
This is radius. This is chord. And this is right angle triangle.
Very nice.
It is a quadrilateral. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides are quadrilateral. 1, 2. 2 sides are parallel. It is a trapezium. Trapezium is equal 1/2 sum of parallel side into height.
Very nice.
It is a rhombus if all sides are equal. If if diagonals are not equal, area of rhombus 1/2 d1 d2.
Very nice.
0 together with natural numbers are whole numbers.
Very nice. This is the whole view of our lab. Various charts are there. And so many models are there. Beakers of different measurement are there. Stopwatch. Globe is also there. We are in the corridor of our school. This is the B block corridor. Now we are moving towards the chemistry lab. Proper signboard of chemistry lab. Now we are moving inside the lab. A whole view of chemistry lab. Inside the chemistry lab, this is the door of chemistry lab, properly decorated. Now we are going inside. This is the huge chemistry lab with all various charts and 4 storages we are having here. Chemicals are kept in the locked cupboard. All the we are having 3 storages over here. This is the storage room for the chemistry lab, and we have kept all the chemicals in the locked storage. Here also more the locked storage. There is a fire extinguisher over here and one on the table. See that? This is the another storage for open articles. First aid box is there. Proper arrangement of water supply. See? Here many equipments are kept. This is the second first aid box and equipment. This is the second thing. Proper water supply. This is the third one on the slab. The proper burners are there. Various charts are there. Here some children are doing activities. Yes, children, what you are doing? Yes, move this side. Yes, what you are doing? Acid and basic. Okay, you are wearing gloves also. Good. Okay, you are wearing socks also? Yes, ma'am. Okay, good. Here another girls proper sitting arrangement for the students on both sides of the table. This is the marble slab. Here, this is the marble slab over here. Here also 4 storages are there for keeping beakers. Proper gas supply is also there. Burners. And then here some girls are doing some activity. Yes, but what you are doing?
We are checking pH level.
pH level you are checking. In water?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What it is? How much it is?
Blue litmus paper.
Okay. Blue litmus paper it is. Okay. Fine. Exhaust fan and proper ventilation, fresh air from outside is discovered. Various charts. This is the huge lab, so here we have kept one board also, so that children can write properly in their lab manuals. Yes. Now we are in the physics lab. Door of physics lab. 10th class students are here. So various charts are there, scientists are there. And this is the complete view of whole physics lab. Proper sitting arrangement for 40 students. Fire extinguisher. Exhaust fan. Proper electricity arrangement. Water supply, you will see. Electricity units are there. Various models. Various models. This is the lab spectrometer, parallelogram, spectrometer, telescope. Here one child is. What you are doing? Okay, what is this? Telescope. And what you do from this? You are seeing space. Okay, fine. This is the stock register of physics lab. All the articles are written. Now we are having 3 storages here. All are locked. Locked storages 1, 2, and this is the third one. We are having many benches. One is optical bench, so their students are doing something. Let's ask them what they are doing. What you are doing, children? What you are doing? Yes. What you doing? Magnet spectacle. Okay. What you are doing? Magnet spectacle. And what you are doing? Okay. Is that some spectacle? Potentiometer, sonometer, optic bench, sphygmometer, cell, Farian cell, Royston, ammeter, voltmeter, galvanometer, all type of concave and convex lens, mirror also, and horseshoe magnet, simple magnet, gauge glass, magnifying glass, tuning fork, set of weight. Now here some. Now we are here in the library. Proper signboard is there. This is the periodical rack. When we are moving inside the library, we are having smart TV for their spiritual development, and the reading sections also we do here. Then this is the whole complete view of library. We are having 11 almirahs over here, and now we are moving here this side. All the registers are there. Every day newspaper comes here, and the proper summary of our library. We are having 2844 books, more novels and storybooks are there. Proper, it is maintained proper accession register. It is checked every month, and then issue registers for teachers and students. Now we are having complete view of our various almirahs. Periodicals, we are having 600 Hindi story books, religious books, some great leaders books, English novel, and here some kids cyclopedia is there, dictionaries, various dictionaries are there, NCERT, and proper subject wise racks are there. Now we are moving towards the staff reading section and the Almirah 7, where we are having for 11th class students all the various books of various subjects: physics, chemistry, science, economics, accountancy. This is the bio books, some practical books of 11th and 12th, NCERT books, and then proper for history, political science books, some are there, and physics also. So this is the whole almirah here. Then this is almirah number 8. This is also for 11th and 12th. Whole sitting arrangement for teachers is also there, proper arrangement for there, so that they can be here in their vacant periods. Number 9, 10 and 11 almirah is also there for their references books and all that. So here teachers come in their vacant periods. This is the complete view, I think. Which class is this, beta? Fifth class. Okay. Some children are reading newspapers, some are reading different story books. Which book is this, beta?
And Dadaji ki Uttal.
Okay, various books. So which book is this, beta? Okay, fine. So they are studying different story books. Now this is the complete view of our library. CCTV camera is there, globe is there, atlas is there, various atlas is there. Our school library is fully stocked according to the CBSE norms, and its area is more than 1200 square feet. Biology lab. This is the door, main door of bio lab. Now we are moving inside. Lab is there, which various charts and the different scientists are there. Here also we are having storage. 2 storages we are having for specimen and various charts. Here also some Girls are doing different their practicals, skeleton, and chart on skeleton is also there. Second segment, beautiful decorated board is there. Children have prepared proper charts on this, and some models they have prepared. This is the respiratory system and proper is there. Now we are moving inside the bio laboratory. It's well decorated and all the models are prepared by children. This is best out of waste they have made one animal, water animal, and then different glands, ovaries they have made with the sand. And here they have made snail showing here. This also they prefer leaf with proper budding in that, and then human brain they have prepared. Then budding in hydra they have explained with the leaves, very beautiful. Okay. Now here this is the second table where they have made out of waste many models. Here they have used the bottle and very creative they have explained. Then different charts. They have used macaroni over here and explained very properly, children. Heart structure and all the parts of her heart very beautifully they have explained and made. So this is the whole segment of Bio Lab of Kala Setu. Now we are in the playgrounds of our school. We are having well-developed and very spacious playgrounds for all types of sports. We are having football ground, basketball ground, and here some children are playing hockey and some are playing kho-kho. Now we are in computer lab. This is the proper signboard of our computer lab. Let's move inside the lab. This is the complete view of our computer lab. We are having more than 40 systems. In each and every system, hardware and software are installed according to the CBSE norms. Even we are having server, and with server all the systems are connected. We are having 2 printers and the scanners. Power bank battery is also there. We are having smart board also installed in our computer lab. We are having internet facility also in all the systems. Here is the complete view. We are having CCTV camera also in our computer lab.